Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to approve requests to manage a Facebook page when it is owned by an individual, or when this Facebook page was created under a Facebook profile. So which means this Facebook page is not owned by any business portfolio, but is under your normal Facebook account. So that's what we're going to cover in this case. There are other Facebook pages that has already been claimed by a business portfolio. And this happens when someone actually transfers ownership from their individual self or their individual profile to a Meta business portfolio, or when a Facebook page is being connected to an Instagram account. Okay, most times once that merging is completed successfully, it creates a business portfolio, and the Facebook page becomes inside of the business portfolio or owned by that new business portfolio created, and also the Instagram account. All right. So, but for this particular video, we are going to focus on when the Facebook page is under an individual or is owned by an individual account. So we're going to show you how you can approve it for the agency that wants to manage it in terms of social media management, or if they want to run ads for your business. Don't forget, visit the description section. We are going to provide other resources related to what you're looking for on Meta. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you click here. Now switch into the Facebook page you want to approve access to, the agency or the person that wants to manage your Facebook page for you. So I'm going to switch into the page. It's Gwrite Media. So you click here, you make it to settings. So click on settings and privacy, then settings. Then you go to page access, where basically everyone that has access to that Facebook page will be seen. So we're going to scroll down. Okay, so click on page setup. Next, page access. So this is where you're going to see the request. So you see pending access request, review request from partners who wants to help you manage your Facebook page. So this is it. So you approve it here. Okay, so this is where you're going to find the request. So you click on review request, and then you click on next. So you can see all our details. They said the business portfolio is verified. It's actually verified. You know, we're an agency. Okay, so you click on next. Then you click on accept. So you've approved. Then you input the Facebook password. Your Facebook password, you input it. The password you use in logging into your Facebook, your personal Facebook account or your main Facebook account, then you confirm. So that is how to approve our request. We're going to reload this now. Okay, so you can see partners with access. So Gwrite.